here's the tail lights. You can see it's all messed up from the last one I did. Boom, right here, right here, right here. Which I should have done was gone all the way, tucked it inside, and then cut here. But we're gonna get a car wash now. We're gonna fix this. Side done. Same thing on this side. I'm gonna do here first is line up my string a little bit extra like this. Go all the way up here. Twist. Go all the way down to here. Right there. Cut. Boom. Boom. I grab some wrap. Measure it that way. Boom. Piece like that. Yeah. Just gotta do that. Get up the wrap. Lay it down. Heat it. That's it. What you need. This side stretch. Go. Like that. The extra. But you do want a little bit. We'll just be safe. Let me see. So we'll start from down here all the way along the body line. Should be smooth. shouldn't feel like you're cutting anything until you get to the top. You cut it. Boom, boom. Like that. Tuck, scoop, tuck, scoop, tuck, scoop. There. Different ones right here that I can use. Yeah, you see that? It goes right in there. Bring it along the whole body line. Boom. Boom. Look how that looks. Perfect. Now the same with this side. Put it right under that line. Boom. Lift it up under that body line. Then when you get to the curve right here, hold it, curve down. Just like that. Let's see if that measurement is right. Yeah, it's more than enough. Let's bring the squeegee and this. I'm gonna take off the plastic lining first. And all the stuff I have linked in the description. If you guys want to cop it, everything's there. Linked down in the description. Where's the lip? The lip right there. Boom. The edge. I'll do this edge first. Cool. I've got this side to fix. So right there. Looks good. I'll peel this side. Fold it down. I'll assist it a little bit by cutting it. Okay, that was way off. By cutting it. And then what I do is I hold and pull like that. Then just hold it as close as I can to it. Till it's like that. And then peel. And we're good. And then get all the green stuff. Pull away. My squeegee was on the ground, not good. Push down on it. And then now we just cut along the body line. It should be smooth. And right here. Smooth again. Let me see. Before you peel everything, use the hard side. Tuck. And let me get the other one. Like that. Where's the squeegee at now? The squeegee to tuck like that. Under, tuck up. That. It's right here. Push in, tuck up. Push in, tuck up. Push in, scoop up. Push in, scoop up. Boom. 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 Now we're all done. It's finally done. It looks really good. It looks better than it was before. Boom. That looks good. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one when I do more mods. But yeah, there is the Amber Delete tint, and everything's down in the description if you guys need it to help you with yours. So yeah, use the link below, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.